library friends. My name is Miss Jennifer and I'm the children's librarian from the Wyoming Branch Library, and I'm here today to share a fun STEM experiment with you that you can do at home. This activity is called Design It, Build It, and it focuses on the principles of engineering, and you're basically building a paper tower that is strong enough to hold a small stuffed animal at the top. Your tower is supposed to be at least 1 foot, which is 12 inches tall. You shouldn't use any more than 20 small paper cups that are 8 ounces in size or smaller. Your tower should also have 2 pieces of construction paper. You can use no more than 1 foot or 12 inches of masking tape. And you are able to use scissors and a ruler to help cut some of the paper cups or the paper as you're building your tower, and your ruler or tape measure for measuring. Now, if you don't have any of these supplies at home, it's okay. You can still do it. You can be creative with what you use. Maybe use some empty paper towel rolls that are cut a little bit smaller, or empty tubes from other items. We've got, you could try using regular paper, whatever kind of paper you have at home. If you don't have masking tape, you can use whatever kind of tape you have at home, if you even use tape. So let's get started. Some other things to think about when you're building your tower is what other ways can you build it to make it stronger or even make it taller. But don't forget, it has to be at least 1 foot tall. All right, I'm going to measure my tower here, and I didn't use any tape, and I would say that's right about at 1 foot. I have my little turtle here. Let's put him on the top and see if it holds. Yay, I did it! All right, and I didn't even use all 20 cups. So this is a great way to practice your engineering skills, do some hypothesizing of what will happen if maybe you use paper that isn't quite as heavy as construction paper. Maybe use some paper tubes instead of paper cups. What if you cut the paper cups and fan them out? Use some tape to roll some of the paper up into tubes and see how creative you can be and what kind of structures you can build. Thanks for watching. See you next time.